Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Normally, a lot of people say that you can use different apps and stuff, but I'm going to show you guys what I mean by unfollowing everybody at once on Instagram. So if you open the Instagram application, you will be brought to the home page. Just tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. As you can see, I am following 147 people. Now if I want to unfollow all of them, I have to normally go through like this and unfollow everybody that I want to unfollow. I was looking around to see if there is any ways to actually unfollow everybody at once on Instagram, and all the videos, most of them had using a third party app, which is really sketchy. If you go to the app store, they would tell you to search up unfollow for Instagram, but all of these don't actually unfollow people, but it just gives you a bunch of ads and make you waste your money, and it doesn't actually work. Don't choose any third party apps or website because most of them are scams. The other way I saw that you could do it, although it doesn't work 100% of the time. If you tap on these three bars in the top right corner and go to settings, and scroll down all the way to the bottom and go for this help. If you click on this report a problem, tap on this report a problem again, you can actually report a problem to the Instagram people and ask them to unfollow everybody at once for you. This worked for a couple of people, but a lot of people also said that it didn't work because Instagram just never responded to them. For this way to work, you might have to do it couple of times. I tried testing it out here, but they still haven't unfollowed everybody for me. So I'm not sure how well this actually works. But as you can see, this can work apparently, but I'm not really sure if it can. And most of the time, if you use a third party app, if they unfollow everybody at once for you, you will probably get banned for using too many actions at once in too short period of time. So the best way to do it is just to gradually go through and unfollow 25 people at a time every hour, because if you do any more than that, you will just get banned from Instagram anyway. So I wouldn't suggest using any of those apps. Maybe support will actually unfollow everybody, but I really don't think they will. And there is not a 100% guaranteed way to unfollow everybody at once on Instagram. So I hope this answers your question. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.